आदाब, आप देख रहे हैं आवाज़ द वॉइस और मैं हूं आपके साथ यास्मीन खान। और आज सीआईए की जानिब से एक बहुत बड़ा इवेंट किया गया। इनफैक्ट आई वुड से फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड इवेंट था, क्योंकि इस इवेंट में विमेन समिट का इनेकाद किया गया, जिसमें मुख्तलिफ औरतें जो एंटरप्रेन्योर जर्नी उनकी सक्सेसफुल हुई है इस इवेंट का हिस्सा बने। और काफ़ी लोगों ने अपने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की जर्नी यहाँ पे शेयर की, अपने जो पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस थे बिजनेस को लेकर, उनके जो तजुर्बात है उनको लोगों के सामने रखा। अब अगर हम इस इवेंट की बात करें तो स्पेसिफिकली विमेन ओरिएंटेड इवेंट था, और काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने यहाँ पे जो अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस यहाँ पे शेयर कर रहे थे। काफ़ी सेट ऑफ चैलेंज के बारे में बात हुई, एनवायरनमेंट की बात करें, फूड की बात करें, टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करें, सक्सेस स्टोरीज और फेलियर्स की इक्वली बात हुई। क्या कुछ हुआ फर्दर इस इवेंट में आपको बताएंगे।
So inshallah, the book will be published in September by Penguin. And this is something that I stress on in the book, that we need role models, we need stories of achievers, so that we can also, when we face struggles in our journey, we can look up to them. I was really impressed by my namesake Miss Shella's story last time. But as Ijaz said, I would like to just add on to that a little bit. We are an economy with a small land holding size, so how much our agrarian economy can grow, there's a limitation on that.
As people who are confined within four walls of their houses, and ideally should be. For all the women who go out, who work, we still hear at home or in family discussions that, good women are still who stay home. And don't tell me that, none of you have encountered that. We still get to hear that better women maintain their home, they have their familial responsibilities, they prioritize those. So coming from that society, and I'm not saying it from a critical perspective, I'm saying it from an introspective perspective, because when we admit certain things, then only we can make a change. So coming back to, tourism and gender, since it's a male-dominated field, all the travel agents, all the hoteliers, all the adventure and being in women, as group leaders, as trekkers, or as travel agents, it has been at the forefront. From past couple of years, we've been working on it in tourism. I was posted earlier this year, and even from my women's group, Kashmir Women's Collective, we started women's treks, all women's treks on Sundays during COVID.
I'm so glad that we should actually exempt a few things and let her do this rather than actually hindering the process. So, I'm sure that for you, being vocal and putting across your thought is not very easy at times. My name, if we have not met her, but we know of her initiative, the Help Foundation, from the longest time, and one of the forefront, one of the organizations who has been at the forefront of carrying out various initiatives across J&K.
Younger generation. As soon as I entered, I said I'm the odd one out, because I want the younger ones to be here. So let me tell you how I started. So I have been working with the people from remote areas, from rural areas, and from the heart of the city, all ladies. So we celebrate Women's Day, but 360 days are forgotten, one day is remembered.
Study in Bangalore and to work there, I have family there. But I said, no, this is about my honor, this is about my legacy. No matter what the odds are, I will stay back and I will make the most of it. So then it just went on and on. So I would like to say that, just give you one more incident, because these are very important incidents, because it's very easy to start, but to hold up and to sustain your quality, And I would like to give a message to the young entrepreneurs here. What is very important in when you do business is the means to the end. It's not that, okay, now fine, I started this year and I've been 10 years in the field and I have made so many crores or so many lakhs or so many millions. It's not that. It's how you have done the business. It is the means to the end.
थिंक करते हैं 5-6 मैन बैठ के और डिसाइड करते हैं इनका क्या कर सकते हैं. तो स्वामी विवेकानंद said, just educate them and see they will define their own destiny and do wonders. That is it. And these all women here have, through their education, defined their destiny, been an inspiration for all of us.
We facilitate trade and investment within the country, and also facilitate businesses who are wanting to go outside, wanting to do business outside. That's our primary work. Also, we largely work with Government of India, different state governments, as well as also facilitate trade and economic relations between Indian economy and the other economies. We run a lot of track to diplomacy, economic diplomacy networks with most of the major economies in the world.
हमारी JNK की इकोनॉमी जो है ये बहुत चेंज हो रही है बहुत तेज़ी से. अगर हम 50 साल पहले लें या 100 साल पहले लें, हमारी एक अग्रेरियन इकोनॉमी थी जहाँ पे मोस्टली हम प्रोड्यूस करते थे और उसकी वजह से हमारी इकोनॉमी चलती थी, जहाँ पे ऑफ कोर्स वुमेन वर्कफोर्स यूज्ड टू बी कंट्रीब्यूटर्स in labor. And if you talk about trade,
visited many families where women, they were asked not to get vaccinated. Why? Because you cannot bear children. So men were not bothered कि ये जिंदा रहेंगे या नहीं, ये 2 साल बाद मर जाएंगे, लेकिन बच्चा पैदा करना है, इसके लिए इसको वैक्सीन नहीं कराना है. I, along with my deputy commissioner, I remember we visited. I would not like to name the village, but of course I like to name the tehsil, the Soibuk area.
Nearly 18 years of my experience at IUST, and a very good passion which you asked, but I would say that things have changed, outlook has changed, perspective has changed, girls have changed. It's not only that the men have changed.
So my name is Seher and I work at Stay Pattern. It's one of the hotel management firm. So when I joined the firm, basically when we started off with this, I made sure the employee division work that we have at our workplace is in fact more than that. Like I have a workforce which is like 70 to 30. Like I have a 70% ratio of women working at my place.
I think where do you get this motivation from? I teach in IIT Jammu, and I thought because JNK is the same state, and I talk to students and I talk to my students. You won't believe, every other day we have 50% of the students who don't attend the classes. And when I ask them, what is the reason? Why are you not attending the classes? Some of them have major anxiety issues. Some of them have bipolar, borderline issues. And this is just with the Kashmiri students. In my, my experience says that. It's completely different. They are at peace, they're happy. They're just, they're doing much better when it comes, when it comes to their mental health. But unfortunately, I think not just being an entrepreneur in Kashmir, but also being a person and living in Kashmir is a challenge itself.
So just say one thing. Whenever you do something in life and you want to come up beautifully, there is always a support system, not only of your mother, but your father, your husband, and your brother. So we should look for the women empowerment in a positive manner. We cannot be empowered unless and until the male members of our family provide a back and supportive system to us.
So we have with us Shaila Rashid. Shaila was part of this event. तो शैला आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, this was first of its kind event in Kashmir. ऐसे events हमने दिल्ली में काफ़ी देखे हैं, but कश्मीर में पहली बार हुआ. What do you think कितना important है ऐसे events का यहाँ पे होना, especially for the empowerment of Kashmiri women?
आपने बिल्कुल सही पॉइंट किया. यहाँ पे ऐसे इवेंट्स होते नहीं, दिल्ली में तो हम बहुत कुछ ऐसा देखते हैं. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जो कश्मीर में फीमेल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, जो या किसी भी फील्ड में एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में हो या गवर्नमेंट में या किसी भी फील्ड में जिन्होंने अपना मार्क बनाया है, वी हैड वुमेन हियर जो एजुकेशन सेक्टर से हैं, तो उनकी स्टोरीज सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है. क्योंकि एक चीज़ जो हमें यंगर लोगों को बोलने की ज़रूरत है या यंगर वुमेन को, कि सेटबैक्स सबको आते हैं. ऑफन आप देखेंगे कोई लड़की अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करेगी, उसमें कोई सेटबैक आ गया, वो घर पे बैठ जाएगी. तो जब वो ऐसे इवेंट्स में आएंगे उनको पता चलेगा कि नहीं, सेटबैक्स और भी ज़्यादा आएंगे, जितना जितना काम बढ़ेगा और ज़्यादा सेटबैक्स आएंगे. सो आई थिंक सेटबैक जो है, इट इज़ अनदर साइड ऑफ सक्सेस. आई थिंक दैट इज़ समथिंग वी नीड टू टेल यंगर वुमेन, नहीं तो वो पहले ही सेटबैक में डिसअपॉइंट हो जाएंगे.
वंदना दफ्तरी जी वेल नोन फेस है कश्मीर में, सब लोग इनको जानते हैं. मैम, यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा इवेंट हुआ, फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड मैं कहूँगी कि पार्टिसिपेशन यहाँ पे विमेन लीडर्स की हुई. तो आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, यू हैव वेरी क्लोजली वर्कड विद द फीमेल्स इन कश्मीर, तो क्या लगता है ऐसे इवेंट से कुछ फ़र्क पड़ेगा, चाहे फिर एम्प्लॉयमेंट की बात हो, एम्पावरमेंट की बात हो, फेमिनिज्म की बात? डू यू थिंक दिस इज समहाउ गोइंग टू क्रिएट सम इम्पैक्ट इन आवर सोसाइटी?
Absolutely. We have so much of wisdom on one table. In fact, in one room, years of experiences put together. I think even if we put few of them together, it is decades of experience. So definitely the knowledge bank from one person to another will help to venture in their own means, because there was so much learning for me personally. Because there are ventures people have taken which we cannot think of earlier, and then women have excelled. and that is something phenomenal, and we need to appreciate and encourage more women to come up.
Yeah. So there was somebody questioning about the mental health of women in Jammu and Kashmir. So apart from domestic household work that women do, so do you think there are still barriers that need to be taken into consideration as far as empowerment of females is concerned?
See, when we talk about empowerment, women are already empowered. We don't need to empower women. If you see your grandmother or nanny at home, you must have seen she took decisions not coming from any Harvard University. So this is embedded in the lady. She is excelled in managing the household. She knows how to put people together, even people who have disagreements. So she knows how to bind them together in one thread. So this is not something that women have to be taught. They're already empowered. Only thing women need to know, they need to recognize that I am empowered. And once that is done, they can do wonders. And coming to stress level, yes. See, I have been traveling across length and breadth of Kashmir, and I agree to what you are saying. The stress levels are phenomenal, and we need to address it. And mental health is as important as dental hygiene. When we take care of our dental health, every day we get up, we brush our teeth. If we don't, it will just fall off, isn't it? Similarly, mental health, our mind, it is like, brushing your teeth. Similarly, we need to take some time away from our daily activities. Just be with yourself. And one more important thing is that women should not go to the level of being a victim. Sometimes women come up and say, अरे मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ ये नहीं. The moment we think that we are a victim, we lose energy, enthusiasm. But then when we know the divine God has given us all the power, and definitely we can change the society like anything. And I am glad as a woman you are asking me a question.
थैंक यू सो मच. मैम अभी ये जो इवेंट हुआ तो ऑफ कोर्स हमने मतलब टेबल पे बैठ के सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस की, बट आपसे पर्सनली मैं जानना चाहूँगी बिकॉज यू आर आउट देयर वर्किंग इन द फील्ड, स्पेसिफिकली रिमोट एरियाज को लेके अगर हम एम्पावरमेंट डेवलपमेंट की बात करें जहाँ तक औरतों का ताल्लुक है, तो अगर ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 10 हम बात करें, हाउ वुड यू रेट दिस एंड व्हाट मोर नीड्स टू बी डन?
No, there needs to be a lot of, according to 10 के आप माने कि 2% हुआ है. So we need to move out and meet them. ये शहर में सब कुछ हो रहा है, गांव वालों को कोई पूछता नहीं है. So I have been there for last 27 years and I know what's happening around. And they have no avenues where they can go and ask for things. So we as a woman folk, अगर ये group बन गया, we need to move from district to district and give them awareness and know-how of what to start and what to do. With their health care, with the education of children, if we take it as a composite family, I think we'll be able to gather much more information and much more help we can give them.
So is it just the part of government that they need to do their part, or the local NGOs are equally responsible for this?
Okay, I have right from beginning, I haven't asked the government to come into it. It's fine, the government has its own duty, but as a social sector, I think we need to do our bit. You cannot sit at home and blame government for each and everything. If there is a flood, everything is government. If there is something else, everything is government. I think we as human beings and we as Kashmiris, we have a social responsibility to take care of our own people. किसी के लिए नहीं हम कर रहे, अपने लोगों के लिए करना, और इसमें सबका हाथ होना चाहिए.
वी हैव विद अस इंशा काजी. इनके बारे में ऑफ कोर्स लोगों को पता है बिकॉज एसएसएम में जितना भी फैशन को लेके अभी ट्रेंड चल रहा है, ब्लूम हो रहा है, तो ऑफ कोर्स अगर हम क्रेडिट करेंगे तो इंशा को ऑफ कोर्स करेंगे. सो इंशा, आपसे जानना चाहूँगी आज का जो ये इवेंट था, पर्सनली मैं कहूँगी इट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड बिकॉज जितने भी हमारे विजनरी लीडर्स हैं, फीमेल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, दे वर हेयर. डू यू थिंक अगर हम एक रूम में बैठ के इन चीज़ों पे डिस्कस करते हैं और जो रियलिटी बाहर हम फेस करते हैं, देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंस, एंड इफ देयर इज, हम कैसे उसको ओवरकम कर सकते हैं?
आई थिंक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द काइंड ऑफ पीपल जिनको इनने बुलाया और जिस लेवल पे इनने प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया है वो बहुत अच्छा है, क्योंकि इसमें जितने भी लोग थे वो ऐसे लोग हैं जो सिर्फ बात नहीं करेंगे, वो यहाँ से जाके इन सेम चीज़ों पे एक कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन भी लेंगे, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अक्सर ऐसा होता है हम लोग बैठ के रूम में हर चीज़ की बातें करेंगे और उसके बाद 2-3 दिन बाद वी फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. बट जैसे कि ताबिश और खुर्शीद साहब ने भी डिस्कस किया, एक वर्क ऑफ एक्शन, इंसेंटिव्स कि कैसे करना चाहिए, एक पूरा प्लान करके जो करे, आई थिंक ये काफी इम्पैक्टफुल रहेगा।
तो देखिए, अगर फैशन को लेके बात करें तो ऑफ कोर्स काफ़ी सारे इनोवेशंस हुए। इनिशियली कश्मीर में एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं थी फैशन ट्रेंड्स को लेके, तो ऑफ कोर्स आपकी जो जर्नी है दैट हैज़ बीन क्वाइट चैलेंजिंग। तो अगर अभी करंट सर्कमस्टेंसेस की बात करें, डू यू थिंक करियर को लेके अगर हम फोकस करें तो काफ़ी करियर है अगर विमेन परस्यू करे फैशन को एज?
सबसे पहले ये बात तो मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी, कश्मीर में हर महीने मुझे 10 बुटीक्स और दिखते हैं, बट वो ऐसे ही खोल देते हैं विदाउट एनी स्किल एजुकेशन, विदाउट एनी फोरकास्ट ऑफ ट्रेंड्स। बट बिकॉज हमारा फैशन स्कूल है, हम मेक श्योर करते हैं कि आप फ्यूचर ट्रेंड्स के साथ अपने स्टूडेंट्स को ट्रेन करें। तो वो अगर बुटीक खोलते हैं और कोई somebody with no knowledge opens, there's a major difference, क्योंकि उनको ट्रेंड्स पता है, वो सस्टेनेबल लिविंग के साथ काम करते हैं, वो कंटेम्प्रेरी क्लोथिंग के साथ काम करे, वो नहीं करे जो सब लोग बोलते हैं ना गोट्स की लाइन में कर रहे हैं। So this is where innovation and creativity takes place.